Hello everyone, welcome back to SR Tech Lab. In today's video, I'll show you how to install and configure an Epson TM-T88 Receipt Printer on a POS machine using a USB connection. Let's get started. This is the Epson TM-T88VII Receipt Printer. On the back of the printer, you can see the power connector, USB port, and other communication ports. In this tutorial, we'll be using the USB connection. First, connect the power cable to the printer. Next, connect the USB cable between the printer and the Windows 11 POS machine. Now let's install the printer driver. Open your web browser and download the official Epson TM-T88VII driver. Once the download is complete, run the installer and follow the installation wizard. We've reached the printer settings window. Before we apply the configuration, let's prepare the printer. Turn on the printer by pressing the power button. Next, open the top cover by lifting the release lever. Insert the thermal paper roll into the printer. Leave a small portion of the paper sticking out, then close the cover ready for configuration. Go back to the printer settings. Under port type, select USB. Once the printer is detected, click Save Configuration to apply the settings. Finally, click Test Print to print a sample receipt. If the test receipt prints successfully, your Epson TM-T88 is now configured and ready to use with your POS system. Open printers and scanners in Windows. You can see that the Epson TM-T88VII printer has been successfully installed and is ready to use. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to SR Tech Lab for more IT support and POS tutorials. See you in the next video.